Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl here, Noma. So on today's video I am showing you guys how I do my protective style. Like, I just realized that I have not been showing much of protective style in this channel, but I promise you guys are going to be seeing more of protective channel. Did I say channel? Guys, you guys are going to be seeing more of protective style in this channel. It's a promise from your girl, okay? Because our hair needs to be protected, so that is why it is called protective style that doesn't do any harm to your scalp or to your hair. That is why it is called protective. And also, I want to talk about those of us that always complain that our hair length is not equal. Guys, your hair length must not be equal. There is no way you expect your hair to be the same length. No, it doesn't work that way. Okay, it is just normal for your hair to be of different length, the same way your hair texture is not the same thing. If you check your hair very well, you will notice that some part of your hair is 4B while some part is 4C. Just like my hair, my back hair is 4B while the front side is 4C. Can you see that? So you must not expect your hair to be of the same length. Just make sure that you are taking care of your hair and your scalp, and always do the needful. Okay, washing your hair, applying your leave-in conditioner, using your deep conditioner, using your hair oil, whatever thing you know that you are supposed to do to keep your hair clean and healthy, just do it. Okay, and also, if you are waiting for your hair to become very long before you start rocking your hair, honestly you are really missing. Because tell me, how are you going to talk about the hair growth journey if you don't start when your hair is still short? Start when your hair is short. That way you will be able to enjoy it very well when it comes, or when it grows long. Okay, I'm not an English girl, but I guess and I believe that you understand exactly what I am saying. Okay, start when your hair is short. That way you will see the whole process, and you will see how progress, like how you are making progress. Okay, I hope I make sense in this video. I hope I'm really making sense. I hope you really understand what I am saying. Start making your hair, start rocking your natural hair when it is still short. Okay, that way you enjoy the process just like I am enjoying my. If you have been following me on this channel, you will know when I started this my natural hair journey. My hair was still very short, but to the glory of God, my hair is growing, guys. My hair is screaming healthy as well. So I just washed my hair and I have applied all my moisturizer, and I decided to put my hair into a protective style, friendly style that doesn't do any harm to my scalp and my hair. Okay, because this hair has been into a lot of manipulation lately, guys. Some of you here know that I make some short video for my IG page and also here on YouTube. So at this point I feel like this hair needs to rest.
Knew it from the jump, you were bad news. Eating on my time, leave my mind in the woods. But now you see the face under the red hood. And you cried, now you cry, yeah you cry, yeah you cry, whoa. Oh, you thought I was a little sheep, yeah, yeah. Never noticed how I hit my teeth. Now there ain't nobody that'll hear you. If you cry, if you cry, if you cry, if you cry, whoa. Once upon a time, I would let it slide, make peace with the feelings until I realized little heroines never get a win. So I had to grow up and grow some thick skin. Now my eyes ain't ballin', only taking back what's mine. They won't believe it, you'll never see it when I get you in the night. Knew it from the jump, you were bad news. Eating up my time, leave my mind in the woods. But now you see the face under the red hood, and you cry, now you cry, yeah you cry, yeah you cry. Whoa. Oh, you thought I was a little sheep, yeah, yeah. Never noticed how I hit my teeth. Now there ain't nobody that'll hear you. If you cry, if you cry, if you cry, if you cry, whoa. Like that talk, blah, 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 blah. When you give me that toxic, I go off, you can call me selfish. Hella hellish, what you really meant to say is I'm a bad bitch. She's gone, the girl, whatever girl, if you hate me, hate me, hate me. No, you didn't mean to make an enemy, but you did you dirty, underestimated me. Zip it, baby, you're trippin', trippin'. Better remember you're the one who made me wicked, wicked. Get ready, ready, I'm coming, coming. I'm finally taking back what's mine. They won't believe it, you'll never see it when I get you in the night. Knew it from the jump, you were bad news. Eating up my time, leave my mind in the woods. But now you see the face under the red hood, and you cry, now you cry,